Each vowel can make 2 or more different sounds. In this video, we will review long vowels and how you can use the silent E or bossy E trick to help you figure out which vowel sound to use. When I teach 2nd grade, I like to tell my students a story about bossy E. E doesn't like to be on the end of words, and when he is, he gets bossy and likes to boss around the nearest vowel. Bossy E makes the vowel say its name, which is actually the long vowel sound. He orders, "Say your name!" Once he demands that the nearest vowel say its name, he becomes quiet and doesn't make a sound because he feels bad about bossing around his friend. I would too. Bossy E has a terrible memory, and he usually forgets to mind his manners when he hangs out at the end of a word. He continues to be bossy. For some words, he remembers that it's not polite and stays quiet. For example, when at the end of the word mule, bossy E orders the vowel to say its name. The letter U says you, and that's how we get the word mule. On a more rare occasion, he remembers his manners. He doesn't order the nearby vowel O to say its name, so we get the word shoe instead of the long O sound. If he was bossy, this word would be show. Here's another example. Tie. I has a long vowel sound. Bossy E. Saddle. Good. He remembered his manners. Let's look at more words and check out bossy E's behavior. Gate. Bossy E ordered A to use its long sound. Hose. O says its name. Sunshine. I is the nearest vowel to silent E, so it says its name. The tulip soaked up the sunshine and covered the landscape. Oh, that's another word that follows the same rule. Landscape. Did you hear that long A closest to the E? Came. E tells A to say A. Gunnar came when Mrs. Gary called him. He's so cute. Oh, that's another one. Cute. You. Once again, bossy E bosses. Main. A says its long vowel sound. Rope. Yes, once again. I told you he's bossy when he's on the end. Fence. That's not a long sound. He must remember his manners when he's on the end of that word. As much as I don't like to see bossy behavior, at least it helps me read words. Sometimes checking the word with the context can be the only way to know if you have the right word. Ask yourself, does this fit with the story? And if it doesn't, go back and try another trick or strategy. Can you think of words that follow this pattern? Make a list. Try to also find words that do not follow the silent E or bossy E pattern.